In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an image for your Squarespace header. By the end, you'll replace the text title with a clean logo image, so your brand stands out across your site. Before we start, have your logo file ready on your computer. A transparent PNG or an SVG works best for crisp edges, and keeping the height around 60 to 120 pixels usually fits most headers without crowding the navigation. Aim for a file that's optimized and under a few hundred kilobytes so it loads quickly. Begin inside your Squarespace editor and open the header controls by selecting Edit Site Header. This brings up the header toolbar and focuses the area at the top of your pages where your logo and navigation live. With the header active, click directly on your site title in the preview. Even if your site is already showing text there, selecting the title tells Squarespace you want to adjust your branding. Next, look for the small pencil icon that appears near the title area and click it. That opens the branding settings panel where you can switch from a text title to a graphic. In that panel, find the section labeled Logo Image. This is the spot Squarespace uses to store the picture that will appear as your brand mark in the header. Choose Add Logo. A media window will appear, giving you options to bring in your file. Then select Upload File. Navigate to your logo on your computer, confirm the selection, and let Squarespace upload it. Within a moment, you should see the image appear in your header preview in place of the text. Take a second to check spacing and legibility. If your header background is light, a dark logo will usually read best. If it's dark, use a light version of your logo. Make sure fine lines are thick enough to remain clear at small sizes and that there's enough padding around the mark so it doesn't feel cramped next to the navigation. If the image looks fuzzy, try uploading a larger source file and let Squarespace display it at a smaller size for added sharpness. That's all there is to it. You clicked Edit Site Header, selected your site title, opened the pencil icon settings, went to the logo image area, hit Add Logo, and uploaded your file. With a well-prepared image, your header will look polished, professional, and consistent across your site.